The first proposal took place in Baguio. So it was conceived, supposed to be 1 week before. Kahit papano pinagplanuhan namin, pero hindi ganun kapulido. Nakita nyo namang kinalabasan ng video. Yes, hindi po talaga masyadong napaghandaan. The reason for having this second proposal is para naman magkaroon ng mas maayos, hopefully, na second proposal. So ito ay plinano ng kanyang mga magulang, ng kanyang tatay, ng kanyang tita, para magkaroon ng mas seryosong proposal. So Kim, thank you very much, and hopefully the second proposal will do justice doon sa ating relationship. Whatever happens, Kim, I love you very much.
This is as real as it gets. Hinugot sa kaibuturan ng puso ko. Napakadami kong gustong sabihin sa iyo during our first proposal sa Baguio. Tama po ang pagkakadinig ninyo. This is our second proposal. Napakasaya at napakadaming nangyari ng sabay-sabay during that time. Kaya ngayon, sasamantalahin kong pagkakataon na sabihin sa iyo ang mga bagay na dapat mong marinig. Kim, gusto kong malaman mo na mahal kita. Kahit ilang proposal ay gagawin ko, and I will do it over and over again. And I will also marry you again and again and again. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Love is patient, cliché, yes, but to us, the time spent with one another was bliss. Hindi natin napansin ang tagal na pala ng relationship natin. Because of you, Kim, I realized na napakaiksi ng panahon para makasama mo ang taong mahal mo. Napakaiksi ng panahon para magalit, malungkot, magtampo, mag-away, kung pwede naman piliin na maging masaya. Yes, happiness is a choice. That is why I made the decision to choose you, Kim Santos. How will you know if you are in love with the person you are with? Simply, look at the person and ask yourself, are you willing to sacrifice everything for that person? Are you willing to give up everything for that person? And my answer is yes, Kim, I am willing. I am so proud of you, Kim. Napakataki na ng pagbabago mo. Since the day that we met, you have matured physically, emotionally, intellectually, and spiritually, and blossomed into a wonderful person as a daughter and as a sister. I always knew your potential and never doubted you. I am your #1 believer, and don't you forget that. Hindi tayo yung tipong social media couple because I believe in privacy but not in secrecy. But this time, I want everyone to know na mahal kita, Kim. I would like to assure you that as much as I love you, so do I love your family. And I will always honor and respect Mama, Mami, Tito, Tita, Ate, Kuya, and a special mention to the cute Timothy Akim. I would never forget Tatay Rods. As the father of Kim, please allow me to call you Tatay, to show you how much we love you and respect you. I also would like to assure you that Kim loves you so much that every time we go out, hindi niya nakakalimutan yung responsibility niya as a daughter. Let me also take this opportunity to say maraming salamat po. Salamat, Tatay, sa sakripisyo, sa kabila ng hirap, pagod, sakit na nararamdaman dahil sa pagpasok sa trabaho ng dahil sa pagmamahal sa pamilya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na nag-alaga, nagpalaki at nagmahal kay Kim. At sa lahat ng couples na nakikinig, iiwanan ko po ang 1 John 4:18. There is no fear in love, but perfect love drives out fear. Maging Maging matapang na kape kayo, parang kapeng barako, ipaglaban nyo ang taong mahal niyo. Maraming salamat po.
You may not kiss the ground. Talon, team, talon.
Hello, Kim. I would like to present to you with this final message for this second proposal. First of all, I would like to thank you for coming into my life, and I want everybody to know how much I love you at kung gaano ka kamahal ng mga magulang mo, nila tita mo, tito mo, ate, kuya, lahat ng mga kapatid mo, pamangkin mo. So thank you very much. And I would also like you to know how important you are to me. Nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, that was the lowest point in my life. I was in the darkest place ever, and para kang ilaw na nag-abot ng kamay sa akin para makabangon ako. Thank you very much. You are a blessing to everyone, to your family, to your friends. Maraming salamat at mahal na mahal kita. I love you, Kim.